Hey friends, if you wish to change or restore default icon for a folder on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let's say that we have a folder here. Let's pick this folder. For example, I need to change its icon. Right click on it, select show more options, select properties, go to customize, click on change icon, and then you can pick some other icon. Let's say I want this one. Click on OK, apply and OK, and it will be changed. Now if you wish to restore this to default, then click on this option here, select options, and then click on restore defaults. Okay, restore defaults for view, restore defaults for search. Click on apply, then on OK, then right click on this one, select show more options, properties, go to customize, and then click on restore default and change icon, restore default. Click on apply, then on OK, and it will be restored to the default folder icon. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.